Okay, another thing I hear a lot as an organizer is, what if I get rid of something and I need it in a month from now, a week from now? And as an organizer and an experienced organizer, I always know that's the start of a bit of anxiety when people are purging and letting go of things. And it's totally normal. There's nothing abnormal about that. I always say, if for some reason you need something that you have let go of, you can always go buy it again in a newer form. It's a way to tell yourself, okay, so if I let go of this and I need it a month from now, 6 months from now, it's okay. I can go and I can replace it. So don't just hold on to things in your home because you may need it 6 months from now, a year from now. If you're not using something in the present day, it's kind of a sign, in my opinion, that it's time to let it go and make room for the things you do love and you do use.